Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome to Adventures in Camping. Well, today is Disasters in Camping. I was coming out to work on the fire pit, but we've had a lot of rain lately, and the rain has flooded some of the campsite. Stick with me. I'm going to have something else that I'm going to show you later in the video that involves this. What is this? Well, you'll have to stick around to find out, won't ya? I want to show my appreciation to some locals who I have met and who enjoy the videos. And that's Brian, Thatcher, Megan, and Arbor. Thank you all for watching. This is a good opportunity for me to see what I need to do to fix some of the flooding, which is also a good opportunity for me to discuss a few things that I've done in the campsite to show you kind of why I did them. Stick with me and we'll get right to it. This is the entrance to the campsite. A little wet, isn't it? Like I need to get a load of dirt or something. It's a low spot. I can put up with it because I have another way into the campsite. I like multiple entrances and exits. Something needs to be done with that. You see the nice little pool I have here? That is not a swimming pool. Neither is it intended to be one. That was a walking path. Gonna have to do something about that. May have to dig a drain trench. So this is why I put this here, because I wanted something solid and dry to stand on if we had rain. We've had a lot of rain lately, so this was a good idea. And the bench back here was a good idea too. Gives me a place to put some of my equipment, nice and kind of dry. I mean, the bench is wet, but it's not that wet. So back here was where I decided would be a good place to put a tent. And it's actually not too bad considering the rain that we've had. So I just have a few spots that I need to put some sand in or dirt in and level it out, which is kind of the plan anyway, so that I can put different types of tents here. So I can demonstrate how to erect a tent. You know, we all like a good erection once in a while, so here we go. Maybe I should edit that. Anyway, so we want to a nice level place. This isn't as swampy, yay, but we still have to do a little bit of leveling out. I want to discuss one other thing. This stuff, okay? This is a fungus you see on the trees. There are many different types of fungi that grows on the trees. Did you know there's a really good use for this, other than if you know what you're using and what you're doing, medicinal uses? There is a Native American use. Stick with me, we'll get right back to it. I do not smoke. However, I carry a lighter with me. And I do prefer an old-fashioned Zippo. And there's a key thing about Zippos. You do not have to buy Zippo fluid. Yeah, I'll address that in another video. However, the Native Americans, what they would do when they were going to move camp is they would take a piece of fungus like this and they would light it in their fire. So I've got this burning. All right, let me get this up to y'all so you can see what's going on here. Now, that, if you keep some air on it, don't put it in an enclosed container, will smolder for hours. So if you're going to move camp, instead of having to build your fire the hard way with a bow drill or some other type of primitive method other than using matches or a lighter or ferrocerium rod, this is a good way to keep things burning and to be able to start your fire. See how that is just continuing to smolder. Well, since I don't want to burn this up because I might need to move later on, I think I'll put it out. Now when you put something like this out, you want to make sure that there is no hot ember left, because if I put this in my pocket, I don't want my britches to catch on fire. That'd be uncomfortable. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video. Hey, share my videos with your friends, neighbors, anyone. Y'all come back now. You hear?